Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. In this session, we'll discuss about the mini project status and overall status of the mini project and the weekly status of the mini project. And we'll also discuss about the uh, questions, issues, if we have any. Okay, so starting from Sujit. Mr. Sujit, am I audible?
सर वो मेरी टीम है वो उसका माइक थोड़ा नहीं चलता लैपटॉप का।
Okay, Sujit, you can write in the chat box if you can able to access chat. Okay, Suryans, please go ahead with your project status, weekly status, and overall status.
Sir, in this week we have learned means how CNN works, not by program means how CNN works. Its concept we have learned, and also the program, but it is impossible to implement on our system.
Okay, so you are getting a resources problem. What are the resources you are expecting?
Resources means, sir, resources means we are using its libraries.
I think Suryans, your voice is interrupting. Am I audible?
Hello, sir.
Yes,
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 sir.
okay. Please go ahead.
Sir, what you asked?
What are the systems configuration you are expecting?
Sir, GPU system we want.
Okay, so I will suggest you, meanwhile, I will try to provide you remote access of high computing system. You should take a sample data and perform your operations so that you can get a idea what are the expected output from your project. Okay, and then we'll go for the higher end system.
Okay, okay, sir. On a small data we have to perform.
You just take a sample of data so that it can be
Yes, sir.
easily computable on your own system.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sujit. Any other issues?
No, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so uh, Sujit, do you have any issues? What is your contribution? You can use the chat box. Sujit, am I audible? Okay, so Suryan says Sujit, I have shared a Google Excel sheet link in the chat box. Please use that link and fill out the required information in detail. Thank you. You can leave the system. Okay, okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Sujit, you are performing CNN on laptop. Okay, so are you getting any issues? Yes, please go ahead. Sujit, please write down your problem in the chat box. Okay, so it will take time to perform Perico. We have already discussed with Suryans. So I will suggest you take a sample of data. Do not go for the whole data set. You can take a sample. Okay, okay. So please take a sample data, then perform the operation. So your epoch time will be reduced and you will get the output of your project. Okay. Thank you, Sujit and Surya. You can leave the session. Please write and fill out the Google Excel form. It will be marked your attendance also. Thank you. Miss Samriddhi, am I audible?
Hello, yes, sir.
Okay, Samriddhi. So, what is your mini project status? First, you have to tell me your weekly status, then overall status.
So basically, me and my team partner are trying to create a project where we use uh, like a sign language interpreter. We are trying to create that. So for example, if we type a sentence, then the same can be converted into sign language uh, by that application. So right now, since it's a big project and we don't have much knowledge, we were trying to get a scope of Python, because we're trying to use Python and OpenCV for that. So we are almost done with learning Python, and then we'll move on to how to use OpenCV to further use the data sets and create that thing.
Okay, okay. So, do you have any issues?
No, sir.
Okay, so if you have any issues in this project, you can contact me anytime. Okay, Samriddhi. And
Okay, thank you, sir.
what is the contribution of your team members?
So basically, it's just me and another member from E2 group, Sadin, and we are just learning right now. We are researching and learning, and in almost a week, we'll start implementing.
Okay, okay. So I have shared a Google Excel sheet link in the chat box.
Yes,
Please
sir.
find the link and fill out the required information. It will
Okay,
be marked as your attendance also. Thank you, Samriddhi. You can leave
thank
the
you.
system.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Swarn, Mr. Swarn, am I
Yes,
audible?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Swarn. Please go ahead with your mini project status. First weekly
Sir,
status, then overall status.
I am group member of Suryans and Sujit as well.
Okay,
I was quarantined due to COVID-19.
how are
Before
you right?
isolation, sir, well, I'm well now. Before isolation, I had collected a data set,
Okay,
but after that, I was unable to do any further work.
okay, Swarn. So are you feeling okay right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please go ahead with the project. If you have any issues, you can contact me. Okay, anytime.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Swan. Please fill out the required information in the Google Excel sheet shared in the chat box.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, Swan. You can leave the session. Thank you. Tanmay, am I audible?
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Tanmay. So, Tanmay, what is the status, weekly and overall status of your mini project?
So actually, talking about here, we have already presented you the PPT, and
Okay.
you have asked for some changes and some
Yes.
updations, and we are working on that. So we are actually searching for any updation or any source of image integration if possible. So we are doing it with PHP. So we are learning currently how to integrate that part. Because
Oh,
I have already, as I've already said that I can do it with Python, but it's actually pretty tough task with PHP. So that's why it's taking too much time.
okay. Okay. So, please go ahead with your project. And if you have any issues, you can contact me again. I will try to find out an expert in that domain so that we can solve the problem. Okay, Tanmay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Please fill out the Google
Okay, sir.
Excel sheet form given in the chat box, and you can
Okay,
leave
sir.
the
Okay.
session. Thank you. Thank you, Tanmay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.